we are also going to look at the case that we supposed to discuss. Remember, I asked you to read the case by group. Okay. Uh, do you remember? No, the case that you're supposed to read. Okay, I give you 5 minutes, okay, to get your group together, and we're going to discuss it. 5 minutes. We start at 4:15. We're going to look at the case of Apple Computer on page 152. Okay. Wow, everybody's so happy. Okay, let's start. Okay, how about can well is there any representative of group tigers? Tiger group? Any representative from tiger group? Come on. Now everybody's so silent. Okay. Can you on your Julian? Can you on your mic?
Yes, Doctor.
Okay. Can you can start now?
Uh,
Can you okay? Can you tell me? Okay. Are you going to answer all the three questions or what?
I have answered two questions, and last one is my member.
Okay.
Then another two is a compound, and one is present. But my friend is has a technical problem, so I help her to present.
Okay. Okay. Um. Can you speak up? I cannot hear you that well.
Oh, wait first.
Yeah. Can we start? Because we don't have much time.
Hello. Can you hear?
Okay. 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 Tigers. Right. Okay. Can you just only answer one question because I want the other group to answer another question. Is it
Oh,
possible?
can.
Okay. So the next group will be, I think, alpacas. I want you to not to answer question. I want you to summarize the case. Okay, members from alpacas. I want you to summarize the case. Okay, so okay, Shuyan, can you answer the first question?
Oh, okay. Mm, uh, The title is Explain how Apple Customer Quality Feedback Program helps the firm hear the voice of the customer. First, we think that Apple Computer has developed a program called a Customer Quality Feedback, that's a CQF, to avoid this temptation and to highlight its commitment to customer satisfaction. Later, next, Apple has posted an application form on its website for who's interested in participating the program. The participants are also asked to provide suggestions as the product development cycle matures. This information is fed directly to the Apple engineers who are developing and testing the products. CQF participants are invited to write testimonial about their input into the product's final design before launch a new product. Lastly is customer quality program can allow Apple computer to fulfill and understand the need of the customer. This our answer to explain.
Okay. Anybody wants to ask them question? Any other group wants to ask them question? So in Apple, they are very much into looking to the voice of the customer. Okay. So if I don't know whether you can have the message here, but usually if you are in the United States, they will call you. They will call you. You can participate in these product development programs, and they get your feedback to help them to help them in developing new products, and to see, or if maybe they have developed a prototype, then they ask you to evaluate. Okay, thank you, Shiwan. Okay, next group. Next group. Alpacas.
Yes, madam.
Yes.
Okay, for to summarize, this case is about to Apple customer become a participant for Apple's program that call customer quality feedback. They use customer because it's easy for them to create new model and to fulfill their cita rasa pengguna.
Okay. Lagi apa?
Feedback is important to overall quality of Apple product to make our customer satisfied. Just that.
Okay. So it is very related to our topic. Okay. So that is why it is important as for us tak apa orang kata tak shop sendiri. Okay. We develop a product or we develop a service that is meeting what the customer wants, what the customer needs. In large companies, this book they just give you example of Apple. In large companies, the companies that is leader companies, usually they take care of what the customer wants, right? Okay, good, Alpaca. Next, quickly, next group. I want you to answer the second question. Come on, how about anybody can start? Come on, how about what's the group? How about Puma? Are you around? The group Puma? Come on.
Yes, doctor.
Okay.
Question number 2, is it?
Yes.
Okay, some of the most important aspect of Apple program include technology, business model, innovation, and management. So the company has a very unique structure, different from other companies, and this is one of the reasons why it remains to be one of the leading companies. Given an opportunity, I will alter the technology to create a device that manufacture laptops or phone for low-income people. That's it.
Okay. Can you explain it in your own words? You're taking it from the text and you explain it simply to your friends. Can you explain it? Ain, can you explain it? Or you can ask any one of your friends to explain in your own words. What does it mean? What does it mean that just now you say it from the book, right? Okay, just explain it in your own words. Why we don't have much time? Okay, how about another group answering the same question? Another group, come on, I'm sure you're already prepared. Another group? I think there's 14 groups, right? Okay, Hedgehog, can you explain question number 2? What are other extra that do you think you can talk about?
Madam, can you hear me?
Yes.
Okay. For the second question, the most important aspect of Apple program is how they select their participant, which is the participants are generally people of interest with ability to provide timely information, and they are committed to working with Apple personnel and have a suitable computing environment as it relates to Apple current needs. And for the second question, I would do some modification, such as making the participant of the program as the permanent membership of the program, and they will become a repeat customer and buy more product from Apple. And they are not only contribute the ideas, but also become a loyal customer to Apple product. And Apple also can give special service as sign of appreciation for their contribution of ideas, such as give discount vouchers for Apple's product or give the voucher every time Apple launch the new product.
Okay, good. Right. Okay, thank you, Hedgehog. Right. Next group. Next group.
Can hear?
Okay, yes.
Yes. About number 2, in our opinion, the most important aspect of Apple program is customer quality feedback. We take back the topic.
Okay.
We say that the CQF is important because the Apple company need every complaint, view, opinion as experience from their customer to improve their product and service in the future. So every feedback from customer is very important to allow the Apple company to make every repairing, change or modification to meet their customer need and want. This is not only improving quality of the product and service, but also make the customer feel more satisfied and valuable of their purchasing. So maybe we would to make change or modification the aspect in the future. If we find out any aspect that more effectively than CQF in improving the product and service, we are saying that because not only the customer quality feedback as an important aspect in improving the product and service, but also the other aspect like competitor, new technology and trading also important. That's all about
Okay, I know what group are you in?
Frog Good. Frog.
Frog. Okay. Right. Okay.
Still.
Okay, next group. Next group, can we go to question 3? Question 3. If you were an Apple user, would you enjoy participating in the customer quality feedback program? Why and why not? Okay. Group that has not presented yet, please quickly. Only 4 groups has presented. Come on. How about Ball Eagles? Where are you? Shuhui?
Madam, can you hear me?
Yes, yes.
We are from Cheetah.
Cheetah. Okay, Cheetah.
In our opinion, yes. This is because Apple was a company willingness to listen to the voice of the customer on its product development and design, so that Apple can understand what customer needs. Therefore, Apple can approach satisfying customer needs. Beside that, Apple user can give their opinion about the advantage and disadvantages of the product. So Apple can make improvement on the product or the next product.
Okay, good. So will you participate if you are offered to join the program?
Yes.
Okay, good. Okay, next group. Thank you, Group Cheetah. Next.
Assalamualaikum, Doctor.
Yes. Which group from?
From Unicorns.
Unicorn. Okay, Unicorn.
Yes, I will participate participating in the feedback program because the feedback will help to improve the quality of Apple product, which can help customer to be more satisfied with the product. It can also help us to give ideas and help to contribute to give a better Apple product. And also we can actually participate socially to tell them what we like and don't like about the product that Apple makes.
Mm-hmm. Okay, that's all.
That's all.
Okay, thank you. Okay, the next group still on question 3.
Doktor.
Yeah.
Tak apa. Orang nak ni.
Okay, which group are you from?
Pak Eagle. Can you hear me?
Yeah, which group are you from?
Pak Eagle.
Bald Eagle. Okay.
If you were an Apple user, would you enjoy participating in the tak nampak. In the customer quality feedback program? Why or why not? Yes. Reason is Apple's CQF program is a good program that focus on approach to satisfying customer needs. Second, CQF program participants are asked to give suggestions as the product development cycle matures, and I feel like Apple is really care about user satisfaction. Participants also provided early prototypes of Apple product. With this early prototypes, it helps me to use the product early from other consumers. CQF participants are asked to write testimonials about their input into the product final. So end users can gain some information about the product by refer these testimonials.
Okay. Right. So most of you think that this is a good program, okay? Okay, thank you, Bald Eagle. Okay, another group. Which group are you from?
I'm from Group Camel, Doctor.
Camel, okay.
If you were an Apple user, would you enjoy the participant in the customer quality feedback grant? Why or why not? Okay, first, I enjoy participant in the customer quality feedback program. Good example of a productive approach to certificate customer needed. And they also write testimony about their input into the product final design and provide suggestion as the product development cycle mature, and also able to provide timely information commitment to working with Apple personnel and the sustainability of their computing environment.
What? Suitability of their computing environment.
Yes, Doctor.
Okay. Okay, thank you, Camel.
Thank you, Doctor.
Okay, the next group, the few last groups, okay? What I want you to talk about is Apple is now changing their processor, right? From the Intel chips to their Apple Silicon. Okay? So if you are asked to participate, to give your feedback. What will your feedback be? Okay, tak jawab cepat-cepat kan? Makin lama makin susah soalan. Okay. As you know, if you're not read the papers lah online or whatever, Apple is changing their processor. Okay, so you are called by Apple to participate in this CFQ. Okay, I give you 5 minutes to Google about Apple new processor for the group that has not present, and then you will tell me what is the feedback that you will give to Apple about their new product. Okay, I give you 5 minutes. We will start at 4:51.
Sebab
Okay. So, which group has not presented yet? I think about 6, right? 6 group. Okay, come on, start.
Doktor, Siberian tiger.
Okay, Siberian tiger.
Okay. Can you repeat the question?
Okay, right now Apple is changing their processor. Okay, so if you are asked to participate in the CFK, is it program? CFK or CFQ?
CQF.
CQF, yeah, CQF program. So what will be your feedback? What will you suggest? Your feedback to Apple regarding this issue?
Okay. In my opinion, I would like to agree what does Apple company make is it change the processor from Intel chip to silicon chip, because the processor processor is quite faster than before, and A series chip in the iPhone and iPad, and the first Mac chip will feature 20 cores, including 8 high performance core, at least 4 energy efficient cores. So I am agree with Apple Silicon. I suggest that Apple company would make a better product than before.
Okay, thank you. Okay, good. Okay, next. Next group.
Doctor from Kangaroo.
Okay, kangaroo.
So, Doctor, I will agree for this because, in my opinion, Apple's the new silicon processor is called as A12Z. So, and this processor is power pack processor with audio processing image and image processing from cameras. It's not in Intel. So I think this is the most very efficient way they are switching from Intel to Apple, because Apple product, if use own processor, means it will more powerful. If Windows use Intel, means it will merge it. So other than that, they also tell that they have the faster performance, better battery life, and one more thing is ability to run iPhone and iPad's apps in the laptop. It's the most very common they tell to the customers that the new processor can handle it. So I will agree for it, Doctor.
Okay, thank you. Okay, next group.
Doctor, I'm
Yes.
from Foxes.
Sorry?
Foxes.
Foxes.
Yeah.
Okay.
Okay, so Apple changed their new processor from Intel processor to custom design chip based on an architectures from ARM, a British company. So it makes the computers more power efficient, and it allowed Apple to get more processing power with less heat and battery consumption out of its iPhone, iPads, and watches. So they incorporate more built-in security protection that make it more difficult for hackers to break into the computer. So based on the outcomes of changing the new processor, all of these give a lot of benefit to the customers. And I am as the customers will like it, as the new processor will make the laptop, the iPhone work faster, no lagging, and they have better battery life while being more affordable.
Okay, good.
That's all.
Okay, thank you, Foxes. Next. I think 3 more groups. Okay, next. Or is that enough? Is that our groups? Okay, so you see, that's if you look at Apple products, you see, most of the Apple products, you see, when they develop it, the products will be what we call they will have a lot of exciters, right? It's different, something that is more than what the customer expected. Their product will have that edge, right? So one of the things is they have heavily is the CQF. Okay, so if you look at companies, okay, like I don't know about other companies because Apple um they really look into the feedback. That means customer comes first, right? So this program, okay, the program that they have, usually they do it for I think all of their products. Okay. Now, okay, just for the tips for you, right now is a good time to buy Apple products because they are clearing the old products to make way for the um, for the new Apple products with new processors. Or you can also wait for the new Apple laptop. Whether I don't know whether it will be an MacBook Air. Apple laptop is called MacBooks. It's either MacBook Air or MacBook Pro. Okay, so now is a good time to buy, right? I recently I bought an iMac because I don't buy the new model. It's an old model. So because it's cheap. It's cheaper than usual. Okay, you can see whether I don't know whether you can see my. Can you see my laptop? Right? Okay, not laptop. This is an iMac. Okay, this is a 21 inch 21-inch Apple. I bought it. I just got it about 3 days ago. I haven't explored it all yet. So I am also an Apple lover, Apple user. I also have this. This is my old Apple iMac, right? And I am using an Apple laptop. I'm so sad because now they come up with a new processor. Because my laptop is, I think, about 5 years old, right? If they come up with a new laptop which is maybe cheap, right? It's a big temptation for me to buy one more. Yeah. But actually, I right now actually, if you are looking into buying a laptop, you should buy the old models. Even Apple, the old models is very good. One different about Apple is they don't have virus. Okay, dia tak ada virus. Dia memang the security is very good. There will be no virus on your computer, and then you don't have to worry about your laptop being overheat ke apa benda. Okay, so that's the tips lah if you want to buy right now. Okay. So and any other question? So the next topic we're going to look at. Now we look at customers' voices. Okay. The next topic we are going to look at voice of the market. Okay. Okay. How does we balance out between the voice of the customer and the voice of the market? So we're going to look voice of the market in the next class and see what do we do in voice of the market. Okay. Any other question? Any other question, everybody? I will. Have I already put the place where you can upload your your presentation? Did I put it up or I have not? I have not yet put it up. Not yet. Okay. So if I don't put it up by tomorrow, can you somebody please remind me? Okay. Okay. Now you can. I think we can. You can. If you don't have any question, we can end the class here. You can scan your attendance.